We gon' start this thing alright. You ball in the middle, walking out. Come on, come on.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, kings and queens. You already know who it is. It's your boy, Coach Byrd, and I'm back here with another video to help you, better you, and to help you become better at this thing we call math, okay? And today, what we're going to talk about is multiplying integers, okay? Multiplying integers, and I'm going to try to make it as quick and simple for you as I can. And I gave you the rules, all right? So, kings and queens, make sure you copy these rules down. If you have a positive plus a positive, your answer is going to be a positive, all right? I'm sorry, times. If you have a positive times a positive, your answer is going to be a positive. If you have a negative times a negative, your answer is going to be a positive. If you have a positive times a negative, your answer is going to be negative. And if you have a negative times a positive, your answer is going to be, you got it right, a negative, all right? So that looks hard, look kind of, let me break it down to you. Whenever you have the same sign, your answer is going to be positive. So as you can see, positive and positive, give me a positive. Negative and a negative, give me a positive. Whenever your signs are different, you're going to have a negative, okay? So let's take a look at what that looks like. A positive 2 times a 3, give me positive 6. A negative 2 times negative 3, give me positive 6, because a negative times a negative, give me a positive. A positive 2 times a negative 3, negative 6. Negative 3 times positive 2 gives me a negative 6. So whenever you have the same sign, your answer should be a positive, and whenever you're multiplying different signs, your answer is going to be negative. I can't make it no simpler than that. It's your boy, Coach Byrd, and I'll see you on the next video, and we're going to be talking about dividing integers. Welcome back to another video. You already know who it is, your boy Coach Byrd, and I'm back with another video. So welcome, kings, queens. Let's dive into this lesson. Again, you know my intent is to make you better and to make you smarter and level up in this thing we call math, okay? Today we're going to be focusing on dividing integers. The good thing about it though is if you watch my last video on multiplying integers, it's not going to be that much different. Actually, it's really not different at all. So let's go over the rules that goes along with dividing integers. Once again, a positive divided by a positive, what's going to give me a positive? A negative divided by a negative is going to give me a positive. A positive divided by a negative, and a negative divided by a positive is going to give me, you got it, a negative. So what does that mean? Once again, same signs, you're going to get a positive. Different signs, you're going to get a negative. So because I got 2 positives, it's going to be a positive. Because I got 2 negatives, it's going to be a negative. But because down here, my signs are different, my answer is going to be a negative. So let's take a look at what that looks like, okay? So over here, I got 6 divided by 2. A positive divided by a positive gives me a positive, okay? Negative 6 divided by negative 2, that's the same integers, so that still is going to give me a positive. Now, when I get the 6 divided by 2, negative 2, that's going to give me a negative 3 because my signs are different. And lastly, a negative 6 divided by a positive 2 is going to give me a negative 3. So same signs, you get a positive. Different signs, you get a negative. It's your boy, Coach Byrd, and I'll see you on the next video.